Hello students. So let us continue with assignment 4B. So what are the main mathematical concept or ideas you have learned, right? Well, in this case, for this section of our studies, we are actually learning how to um, do expansion. And the idea behind expansion of algebraic expression is the distributive law, and that is the concept, distributive law. If you are still unsure about it, please make an appointment and look for me in person, and I will do my best and try to get you up to speed, right? So anyway, making use of distributive law, we can go ahead and expand the following expression. So here we go, 1a, you expand it, it will be 6y plus 14. So 2 times 3y is 6y, 2 times 7 is 14. For b, 8 times 2y is 16y, 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. 1c, 5a times 3a is 15a squared, 5a times negative 4 is negative 20a. Using the same concept again, negative 5n times 2 is negative 10n, and then negative 5n times negative 3n is positive 15n squared. And of course, we can rewrite this in in terms of the order of the variable, right? So n squared, we like to put it in front compared to n. So 15n squared minus 10n. Okay, question 2. Expand the following. This time round, we have a 4 terms, right? So we have 2 terms each like in this manner. So it doesn't matter. We have done the distributive. So we have 7m distribute first. So 7m times n give us 7mn. Then 7m times negative 3p is negative 21mp. And we repeat the process with the 3. 3 times n is 3n. 3 times negative 3p is negative 9p. So same process here. 2a times x give us 2ax. 2a times negative 6y. Oh, this time round, I did it the other way. Anyway, it doesn't really matter because the order at which these terms are actually arranged doesn't change the value. So we have negative b times x here, we have negative bx. Then you can do the 2a times negative 6y. It is perfectly fine. So negative 12ay, and then negative b times negative 6y is 6by. So what happens is if your solution is 2ax minus 12ay minus bx plus 6by, don't fret, right? It's the same value. Right. Next question. This time round, we have this coefficient of the brackets here, so we expand those first, right? So expand the 7, distribute the 7, so we have 7p plus 70q, then plus 2 times 6 is 12, so 12p plus 16, so 14q. Then put the like terms together, 19p plus 84q. Same type of question here, so distribute the 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times 4 is 20. Now, over here, we got to be careful because the coefficient of this second bracket over here is negative 3, right? So negative 3 times negative 6, this is actually positive 18. Then negative 3 times negative x, this is positive 3x. So putting the like terms together, we have 13x plus 38, right? Next one, so 9ps, we can't do anything about it for now. Let's leave it there. Let's expand the second part of the expression here. So we already learned what to do about this. So expand it is 8pq minus 10ps minus 12rq plus 15rs. After we have that, then we put the like terms together. So in this case, the ps here and the is there any more ps? The ps here, right? So they are like terms, we can put them together. So we end up with 8pq minus ps minus 12rq plus 15rs. Okay, next set of question. Now, again, the same technique. Well, when the expressions becomes like this, the working can get quite long, but just do it slow and steady at a good pace. We should be fine, right? So you expand this 7wx minus 3wy minus 28xz plus 12yz. Then the second part here, 5xz, all right, my handwriting. All right, minus 9yz minus 10wx plus 18wy. After we got them all expanded, we put the like terms together, negative 3wx plus 15wy minus 23xz plus 3yz, right? So another question similar. So expand it out, this is what you get. What we need to take note for this example 4b, is that this is a subtraction minus. Therefore, over here it is the coefficient of the second square bracket here is actually -1. So when we expand, make sure all multiplied by -1. So -1 times -5 PR is positive 5 PR. Then -1 times -30 PQ is positive 30 PQ. -1 times positive 4 QR, negative here. And then finally this one also becomes negative. Then put them together, 35 PR plus 50 PQ minus QR minus 22 Q squared. Right? So do your reflections here. I hope you have been successful. Have a nice day.